on OPay account. You made a transaction, you made a transfer, you made a you sell a card, and you want to transfer the receipt to the person you transfer to you make the transaction to. It's really important to do it. It serves as a means of evidence that the account the transaction you do is correct and just go. So let me show you how to share the receipt to be the person that you want to save the receipt into your own files. So what we need to do is we're going to open our OPay account now. So after that, now I'm going to show you one of the receipts. Now I'm going to my transaction history, and okay, for example, now you can see there's a receipt. You just have to come here and click on share receipt. Now you have two methods: is it PDF or just image? I'm going to click on image, and after that, just need to where to send it directly. Is your the person is in your, you can see you can use Bluetooth, you can use WhatsApp, you can use quick share, you can use Telegram, you can use anything. So I'm going to click on WhatsApp now. Once you click on your WhatsApp, you just go and search for the person that you wanted to send it to. So here you can see you can just share it to anybody here. So I'm going to click on one person. Once you click on the person here, just come here and click on send, and this is it. You can see it's just come out like this. So I'll provide you using this image, not PDF. If you use PDF, it's going to send as PDF. So just use the image, and for you just click on send, and automatically the person will see your received transaction very easily like this. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in our next video.